That's suspicious.
What's up everyone, it's Mickey with an X and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this very, oh my god. It literally went in my eye. So today I'll be doing this glowy, glossy K-pop makeup look. This kind of makeup look is what I immediately think of when someone's talking about K-beauty, K-pop idol makeup looks. I'm talking about music videos, live stages. I don't know if you can see it, it's really pink. It's very shimmery. Let me tell you something that doesn't sound like myself at all. I am not wearing any powder on my face. I mean, of course, other than my, this area, I'm not wearing any powder. So yeah, I kind of experimented different kind of makeup, especially K-pop idol makeup. A lot of shimmer, a lot of brightness, a lot of highlighter, very glossy lips. They kind of avoid looking matte. Like, you guys don't see me wear glossy lips that much. I always have a matte lip on this channel. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I would very much appreciate it if you guys do so. And thank you so much. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to create this makeup look, please keep on watching. It's been super quiet today, so I decided to film. And people started playing music. They stopped. Okay, good. Okay, gonna film. Yeah. Okay, for today's video, I think I'm gonna do, what should I do? I was going to film a glossy looking makeup look because my skin's been doing great lately. So I'm going to put on contacts and I'll be right back. So I'm going to start off with, do I have hydrating primer? I do, right? For today, I'll be using Essence Hydrating Perfecting Primer. I'll be using the same foundation that I use all the time. My concealer doesn't match me anymore because I've gotten paler from not touching the sunlight for so long. So I'm mixing it with a color dropper so it matches me a little better. Yeah. Now that I look like a ghost, I am going to avoid powdering other than the areas that I crease, like my eyelids, my under eye, and my eyelid. I'm not gonna do much for the eyebrows. I'm just gonna fill these bald spots. That's it.
That's suspicious.
For the eyes, I'm just gonna do something glossy looking. Pink and glossy. Yeah. And for the lower lash line, I'm gonna drag the eyeshadow all the way to the inner corner. Now I'm going to use a darker shade of pink only at my outer corner. I want to change my contacts. I feel like these contacts are too intense looking and creepy. Yeah, I'm gonna change contacts. I'll be right back. Okay, let me continue with the eye look. Oh, you can see it. Okay, cool. I think I'm gonna add a highlighter base first so that it's like super shimmery and glittery. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I started with using the brush first, but I didn't like the result, so I tried using my finger, which works perfectly. I don't know if you can notice, but I put the highlighter all up on my eyelid. It's like glittery and shimmery everywhere I turn. Now I'm going to put the same highlighter on my eye bag, tear bag. Yeah.
Not great.
I have too much shimmer, so I want to balance it out with the pink, so I'm going to put a little bit more pink in the outer corner. So I put too much eyeshadow on my lower eyelash. If you want to fix that, you can use pressed face powder around that area to minimize the intensity. I also want to put white waterline. Now I'm going to use this crayon eyeliner from Beauty Bay for my waterline in the shade Vanilla. Now, oh my god. Now I'll be using Tony Moly gel eyeliner in the shade Brown. I'll be drawing a very tiny eyeliner.
Yes, Gaga, you look so good.
Now I'm going to put on a very tiny eyelash. Oh, I forgot to curl my lashes. That's very important. I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. For mascara, I'll be using my favorite mascara, Catrice All Round Mascara. I honestly don't even need false lashes. I really want to put them on. Yeah, I should. Before that, I'm gonna put on inner corner highlighter before I forget. For blush, I'm not gonna use powder blush. I really like the sheen that the foundation is providing. So I'm just gonna use lipstick as a blush. For that, I'm gonna use Roman again, like my last video. I use this as my lipstick. Now I'm gonna use this as my blush. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. I'm gonna blend it with the sponge that I use my foundation on. Just a little bit more. Really, do I need more blush? I just love blush. Somebody needs to stop me. Somebody needs to stop me. Oh my god, I'm putting on so much blush. I need to stop. I need to be stopped. Somebody needs to stop me. Oh my god. But like, I love it so much. Okay, I'm letting go of this lipstick. I'm just gonna blend. I'm done with the blush. Now, we're gonna do something about the lips. I already have a gradient already going on because of the foundation. Where's the lipstick? Oh, okay. I'm gonna use the same lipstick that I used for my blush. I'm going to powder the outside just a tiniest bit. So I'm gonna use this lip balm and I'll put it on my entire lip. Now that my entire face is glossy, I'm gonna put a bit more highlighter on my cheeks. I am in love with this shade. I'll be using this shade on my cheeks. Wow. I think I am done with this makeup look. There you go. Okay, I think this is the finished look. I look drop dead gorgeous. Very Korean beauty. Yeah, very Korean beauty. That's about it. I can't believe I'm not wearing any powder, and I can't believe I look this good without using any powder on my face. I look so glowy, I look so fresh, I look so brightened. I look so pretty, oh my god. I hope you like this tutorial. If you are trying to achieve Korean makeup look, I hope this video was helpful in some way, shape, or form. Very glowy, very glossy, not matte at all. I thought I would look exactly the same as my last makeup tutorial, but compared to my last tutorial, I look a lot pinker and has foundation because last video I didn't wear any foundation, if you guys actually watched it. Yeah. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, concerns, you can comment them down below. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see my previous video of me doing something very similar to this, but kinda not, the video will be up here. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Bye!